Hi again, welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran. Welcome to another exciting episode of Litigation Warrior. Okay, so we are talking in this video about the summons. What is a summons? Okay, so sometimes you get involved in a lawsuit. Inevitably in life, many people, companies, individuals end up on the defendant side of a lawsuit. Sometimes they're on the plaintiff side. At any rate, if you're the plaintiff, you need to fill out a summons and a complaint and serve it on the defendant. If you're the defendant, somebody may say, will you accept service of process or will you accept service? This is what we're referring to. Service refers to receiving or sending, if you're the plaintiff, a summons and complaint. Summons and complaint, okay? It's very simple. Now, the complaint is very basic. Obviously, that's just a 5 to 10 page, could be more, document outlining your causes of action. Maybe it's copyright infringement, maybe it's trademark infringement, trade secret theft, maybe it's negligence, maybe it's an intentional tort of some sort. So the complaint is a separate document. The summons is this document right here, and what I'm showing you here, this is from California. Okay, so this is a Judicial Council form. It's very simple, and it's SUM 100. And really all this is, as you can see, it's a one-page document. I mean, there's really nothing to it. So, but what you want to make sure when you're filling this out, if you're a plaintiff, the plaintiff is the one that's going to fill this out, and you're going to advise the defendant that you're being sued and that you're being compelled to go into court and answer this complaint. If you don't answer, you're at risk of getting a default judgment. But here's what you want. So say you're looking at suing ASDF, let's say. And maybe that's a company, okay? So maybe that's CO. You're just giving notice to the defendant, ASDF Co., that they're being sued. Now, you put your name here, so maybe you're QWERTY. Let's just say your name is QWERTY, and you're suing ASDF Company. So all you do is you fill out this form. It's very simple, and you fill out down here the address of the court so they know where they're at, the case number, because usually the complaint has already been filed and you have a case number, and you're just going to let them know where the court is, the name, address, and telephone number of the plaintiff's attorney or the plaintiff who does not have an attorney. Bless you. That's known as in pro per or pro se. Bless you again. That's frontline lease, everybody, if you're wondering. And you put the date here, okay? And then really what you do is you send out the summons and complaint to a service company or you get somebody who's not a party to an action to serve it either on a defendant, as you can see here, a DBA, fictitious business name, or a corporation. There's many different types of, and minors and conservatives, things like that. So it's that simple to fill out. Now, I just want to give you one tip. This will save you a lot of time and headaches if you're a new attorney. Make sure, or handling your case, make sure these names match your complaint 100%. So if it says QWERTY in all caps, put QWERTY in all caps. If it says ASDF Co., do that. If it's got a period, put a period. If there's a comma here, put a comma there. You don't want to have problems with service issues later or issues getting a default judgment. So it's very, very important. Make sure you're 100% accurate, but it's that simple. You have your summons. You serve it along with your complaint. We'll talk about personal service in other videos, but that's about it. And you can find a lot of help here on the courts.ca.gov. This is for California, or check in your state. But that's it. That's what a summons is. Hope that's been helpful. This is general legal information only and not legal advice. Take care now. If you need some help with civil litigation, you know where to find us on the web at attorneysteve.com. That's attorneysteve.com. The first name in legal services. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. I don't know too many other attorneys putting out good general legal information there, okay? Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Happy holidays.